Oh, hello, and welcome to our new Muaffice. Ladies and germs, we're here, she's here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in its current state. You last saw the most recent transformation, and that is how it looked before it looked like this. That works, right? I'm so happy we finally made it to this point. I'm a big fan of before and afters, but even more so when it's like, you know, real life and when I get to live the after. And especially since I've never had my own room like this, I've never been able to make as many changes as I want and make it as much as I want it as I have in this space, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to show you the quick state of things, the most recent update, and I look forward to sharing with you once everything is actually fully tied up. But here's where we are. So first of all, let's admire this natural light. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So behind us is my beautiful desk. Now it's kind of a bunch of things connected right now. What we have all the way over here is a set of Alex drawers from IKEA that will be getting filled up with the majority of my go-to makeup cosmetic products. And then on top is a little shelf. It's actually from IKEA Kids. And usually the back of it is like a Kelly green, but I just flipped the back panel so that it's white instead of green, and it becomes a really nice tabletop storage and display situation. So I'm still figuring out if that's where I want it to go, but that's where it is for right now. And then everything else here is just the contents of these few boxes that still need to be gone through and set up. So I actually did my makeup for, not the first time in a while. I've been doing it a little bit more recently. But I did my makeup, had to kind of rummage through the boxes because I needed to grab some palettes that I haven't used in a while. And that's why my desk looks the way it does. But also, it kind of looks like that on a regular basis. But once everything has a home, it'll be much easier to actually put it in its home. So then next we have this lovely closet situation. You will notice, if you don't notice it now, I'm sure it'll come up in other videos. The closet, as we said in the first video, was the only thing that we didn't paint. So this is slightly off-white compared to the ultra-white window or doors, walls, whatever these things are. It kind of drives me crazy. I totally thought about it, decided against it, just wasn't worth the pain in the butt. It's deal withable, you know, we'll manage. But inside our closet, this is the original paint color of this room. I actually like that it's contrasting to the white. It just gives a little bit more of a different experience. But this is our little storage area. So I still, again, have walls to break and boxes to go through, things to sort through from either my original first apartment that I didn't get to use in our apartment in LA, or just more makeup stuff that needs to be gone through. So eventually this will just kind of be where everything that I don't use on a daily basis lives. This is also going to be an office space, so I will have all of my notebooks and whatever other supplies I may need, because I'm a sucker for, you know, like stationery and cards and things that I'll just collect millions of and maybe use like 2 a year, you know what I'm saying? It's all about setting the goals high. Anyway, here we are. This is the new space. I have a lot of work cut out for me. I won't take you through the unboxing and putting away phase. I will show you once I've organized it and found a way for it to flow nicely, just because I can be a little indecisive and I don't want to put you through that. I just change my mind a lot, and sometimes, almost all the time, I have to actually physically put something somewhere and visualize it so that I can see, okay, this is what it's gonna look like, this is what I want, this is what I don't want. and then we kind of go from there. So to spare you all the back and forth and the mania of it all, I'll show you the finished product when it's all done. I'm so excited. I feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Geez Louise, this is a long time coming. It's a total blessing, and I'm just happy to be back here sharing more with you, and I just hope to continue the momentum because this is my happy place. Not only just physically in this room, I just want to lay on the ground and smile, but here with you. Oh, one of my favorite parts about the room. So I have a ceiling fan. Wow. But we got these little danglies. This one is a little light bulb for the lights, and this is a little fan for the fan. So you know what you're using when you need to use it, man. That's good stuff. Only thing is the fan doesn't work right now. The chain doesn't fully connect, so baby steps. And you know, that's life in a rental, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, this is the latest. Here we are. This is where the magic will be continuing to happen, where the natural light will be hitting just right when we need it. I'm out of breath. My arm is actually really tired from holding this. Normally I don't vlog, you know? I'm not really a vlogger girl on the reg, but there will always be more fun stuff to share. And I'll be super ripped by the time I get more videos out by holding this camera up. So it's gonna be a win-win for us all. That's all I have for you, beautiful people. It is such a pleasure to finally introduce you to this space and have you here. And of course, there will be more to come. If you have any questions, as always, if you want to say hey, if you want to tell me how you're doing, because this is the first time in a while where I've consistently woken up and felt like I had a mission to be on and a purpose and something to achieve and something to be excited about. And it's really easy to take that for granted, and we just need to take care of our brain health for the rest of our healths. Just say hey. I miss your faces, even though I can't see them. And I feel very rambly because I'm weirdly excited right now. And I just have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna get to it. I'll see you in the next video. Please take care, be well. I love you so much. Bye.